To get started, you want to measure out enough length on your threads to wrap around the wrist loosely about 2 to 3 times. And then you want to tie a knot in one end. And then I want to pull out my contrasting colour at either side. And then just clip the threads to the top of your board. So ignoring these colours for now, I want to separate the other threads into 2 sections. So I've got 3 threads in each section. You can do as many or as few as you want, but I recommend having an equal number, in each section. So now you've done that, you just want to twist the threads so that they twist round like this. And then once you've twisted, you can just clip that to the bottom of your board to hold it in place while you twist the other side. And you want to twist in the same direction as you did for this one. So I've done anti-clockwise, and I'm doing anti-clockwise twists for both sections. So once you've twisted as much as you want, you can remove your other twist from the board, but make sure to hold it in place so it doesn't unravel. And then whichever direction you twisted in, you want to twist these 2 together in the opposite direction. So I did anti-clockwise for these, so I want to twist them together clockwise, and this will hold the twists in place when you let go. So once you've twisted that, you can clip it to the bottom of the board to hold it in place, and now you want to wrap these threads around the twist. And I'm going to do this quite loosely so that the background still shows up. So I'm going to take this thread over the top of this one, and then I'm going to do the same thing but underneath. And each time I'm just working this side over this side, but it doesn't really matter as long as you just twist it round. And then just switching at the bottom, and again just going over the top and then just crossing over underneath, and then cross, then go underneath and cross again, and just keep doing this until you get to the bottom of your bracelet. And once you've got the bracelet as long as you want, you can just take the threads at the bottom and tie a knot in them all to hold everything in place. And then you can just run your fingers along the bit where you've braided and crossed over, just to neaten it up a little bit. So once you've done, you can trim off any excess at the ends. And you should end up with something that looks like this. Now you've noticed it's a little bit longer than what I normally do. That's because I'm just going to use the bracelet itself to tie on the wrist. And that is your completed medieval inspired friendship bracelet.